Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we'll see is how to assign multiple values. Let's call it as multiple assignments. So how we are assigning the variables. Let's say we are assigning x equal to 1, let's say y equal to 1. If we try to print, it will give the value of x as well as value of y. So in this case, like in Python, we have one advantage. Like if you want to assign same value to the multiple variables, we can instead of assigning like this, we can directly assign like x equal to y equal to, let's say take one more variable and z equal to 1. So in this case, what happens is like this one will be assigned to x as well as y as well as z. Let's try to print and see how it actually works. If we try to print x here, so this is how it is getting assigned. Let's try to print y. So if you see, one got assigned to y also. Let's try to print z. So this is how it works. So in this case, this one got assigned to x, y and z. So this is the one example. And let's say you wanted to assign different variables. uh, Instead of assigning like x equal to 1, y equal to 2, let's say z equal to python. So in this case, if we try to print this, it will give the values. Instead of this, we can assign all these values in single variable, in single line itself. Let's say x comma y comma z equal to, let me give 30 comma java, let's say. So if I try to print x now, so this is how also you can, here what it will do, this x, this 10 will get assigned to x, this 30 will get assigned to y, and this java will get assigned to z. Let's try to print and see actually what happens. So if you see here, the x has a value of 10 and y has a value of 30 and z has a value of java. So this is how you can assign the variables in a single line when you know the values. So this is all guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below so that I can answer those questions accordingly. Let's catch up in the next video.